Hello everyone, as you all know, this September we're studying about our planet Earth, and this is week 2, day number 2, in which we're going to study about landforms and waterforms in real life. This week's theme is Air, Land and Water Part 2. So here we are with our world map right on top, and we've got the images of some landforms and waterforms there on the side, which we matched with our 3-part cards and our felt puzzles yesterday. If you want to make your own felt puzzles on landforms and waterforms, do check out the link in the description box in which I've done a tutorial on how to make them yourself. They're really beautiful, just in case you don't have the real Montessori landforms and waterform puzzle. Then we've got our 2-dimensional globe here, just so that the child understands exactly what the concept of water and land is on the globe. And we've got our usual 3 jars there in which we represent land with some sand and roots, air alone, and water. So what's new on our shelf today? We've got our beautiful real-life 3-part cards. I'll just show you a few so you can get an idea of how beautiful these are. The child can really understand what these landforms and waterforms look like in real life. I've laminated them as usual for durability. And the last is our books. We're reading First Encyclopedia of Our World this week, What Are Stars, Peep Inside the Sea, and we've got an Usborne space activity book here where we'll be studying about the atmosphere. There are different activities like dressing up an astronaut, joining the dots of a rocket, aliens, etc. So it's really beautiful and cool. Hope you like this video. Do stay tuned for more and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.